Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to view your Facebook Reels on a PC. With the latest updates, accessing your Reels has become even simpler. Let's dive right in and explore these easy steps. First, open your web browser and head to facebook.com. Once you're logged in, you'll see the familiar Facebook layout. Now, click on your profile photo located at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you directly to your profile page. On your profile page, you'll see various sections like posts, photos, and more. To view your Reels, you need to navigate to the specific section dedicated to them. Look for the Reels tab. If you don't see it immediately, you might need to click on See More to expand the menu options. Once you've found the Reels section, click on it. This will display all the Reels you've posted, allowing you to easily browse through them. You can watch, share, or even edit these Reels right from this page. One of the great features of Facebook Reels is how seamlessly they integrate with your profile. Whether you're looking to relive a funny moment or share a creative clip with friends, your Reels are now just a few clicks away. If you're managing a Facebook page, you might also want to check out the Meta Business Suite for more advanced features and tools to manage your Reels. However, for personal profiles, following these simple steps will get you started. In conclusion, viewing your Facebook Reels on a PC is straightforward and intuitive. By following these steps, you'll be able to access and enjoy all your Reels in no time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.